Good morning, one and all. My name is Srushti Adhikari. I am from M2 section from MNTC Center. My today's shop talk topic is a graphical password. Here is the content to cover today. Here is the introduction of a graphical password. A graphical password and graphical user authentication is a form of authentication using the images rather than the digits or special characters presented in a graphical user interface. A graphical password were originally described by the Blinder in 1996. Here is the image of a graphical password. So how to do log in the graphical password? First, register the new username password. That will be select the 5 points of the images to create the password. After selecting the 5 points of the images, now first username and password, if it will be correct, it will be allow the selected the 5 points of the images. You can see if you select the wrong point of the images, to giving the message to select the correct point of the images. After the selecting of the correct point of the images, to open the dashboard to entering the correct password. Here is a type of a graphical password. Recognition based graphical password. Various image presented in a user write images in a correct sequence. Recall based graphical password. A user asks to respond to something to create the registration stage. Here is the application of a graphical password. Web login application, ATM machine application, mobile device application. Here is the advantages of a graphical password. A graphical password system provide the making a more human friendly password. Here is the security system is very high. Here is the user selectable series image of successful screen page. Here is the disadvantages of a graphical password. Password registration and login process takes too a long time. Required much more storage space. Text-based password. Storing image usually required a large storage space. Thank you.